Hey everyone, we're at 1050 Coday Bluff. This is a seriously busy open house, and as you can see, it's a lovely open house. So we're going to be here from 1 to 3. If you come in, you'll see there's a main floor master bedroom, which is super important, and formal dining room. Look at those gorgeous beams. Really nice layout. Brazilian cherry floors. Bye, y'all. Thanks for coming by. Little media room. Nice outside. But check this out. This kitchen is phenomenal. Got a nice gas grill, quartz counters, double oven, open floor plan, a lot of nice light. It's just a really warm, rich with the high ceilings, elegant, nice built-ins, and again, bright and light. That's catnip for buyers. Light and bright, that's what everybody wants. You got a laundry, another bathroom, cool little mudroom, and then let me show you outside because this is really nice. It sits on over an acre. It's private. It's fenced. It's got a nice Trex decking. Big usable space out back for playing, kids running around. There's a dog run out there. It's a beautiful home. It's got 4 bedrooms upstairs with a big playroom, main floor master. So that's 5 bedrooms. And then it's got the study, 3 entertaining areas. So come by, take a look. It's listed for $700,000. And we've already got offers asking for everybody's hello, highest and best by tomorrow at noon, and they'll make a decision by 5. And already just a ton of activity. It's a great market. If you ever thought about selling your house, now is the time. People always ask me, well, where would I go? And that's when I say Costa Rica. All right, which would be fun. But, or here, buy this house. This is gorgeous. I'll take you to the master real quick and we'll end up there. Then you can imagine the 4 bedrooms upstairs, but plantation shutters, gorgeous floors, nice. Somebody turned off the lights in here. Look at that beautiful tub. Taking a nice bath after a long day. Look how gorgeous this tile work is in here. Great big laundry or a walk-in closet. Anyway, like I said, we're here. Come check it out. It won't last long.